Hi NEET aspirants, welcome to Vari Medical Academy. Vari Medical Academy சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்க. எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. Wish you all the best.
Hi students, I am Arunachalam, physics faculty. We are going to discuss about unit, dimension and measurement in physics in first unit. First velocity. Velocity is equal to, what is the formula for velocity? Here displacement by time. SI unit of displacement is meter. Time SI unit is S. So SI unit of velocity is meter per second. Now what is the dimension? Dimension for meter per second. That is dimension for, we have only 3 dimensions. For length, dimension is L. Mass, dimension is M. Time, dimension is T. We have 3 dimensions only. Meter per second. Dimension of, that is length, meter is L. Second is T. So LT power minus 1. This is the dimension for velocity. Now dimension for acceleration. Dimension for acceleration. Now acceleration is equal to velocity divided by time. Velocity SI unit is ms power minus 1 by, here also for time SI unit is S. So ms power minus 2. This is the SI unit for acceleration. For dimension LT power minus 2. Here already LT power minus 1 divided by 1 more T. Therefore T power 1 goes up means T power plus 1 goes up means T power minus 1. Here T power minus 1. Therefore LT power minus 2. Now this is velocity and acceleration. What is the formula for force? Formula is mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. Now mass SI unit is kg, kilogram. Acceleration is, just now we are discussing ms power minus 2. So SI unit of force is kg ms power minus 2 or Newton. Now that is equal to, what is the dimension for force? Here for kg m, for meter means L, second means T power minus, that is SI unit of force is ml T power minus 2. Now one more thing, energy or work, both having same formula only. Work means force into displacement. Actually what is work? We have to apply a force on body, then body moves. Suppose I am applying a force on this body moves. That is body, here that is work is said to be done. That is force into displacement. Now force, you know that kg ms power minus 2. SI unit is kg ms power minus 2. Displacement means what? One more meter, that is kg m square s power minus 2 or Newton meter. Here this is Newton, another one displacement is meter, Newton meter. So for this is dimension is, for kg it is m square s power minus 2 T power minus 2. Physical quantity, SI formula, SI unit and its dimension. Now we are going to discuss about one NEET problem in physics. Now what is the dimension for gravitational constant? Dimension for gravitational constant. Actually universal law of gravitation, that is universal law of gravitation is, that is what, this is one mass m1, this is another mass m2, distance between the two masses is, you take r. Now, universal law of gravitation is the force of attraction between two masses. Force of attraction between two masses is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Combining these two, F is proportional to m1 m2 by r square. Proportionate should be equated by a constant that is called universal gravitational constant, m1 m2 by r square. That is, we need dimension for gravitation constant. That is, you keep g in left side, then denominator r square becomes numerator. F r square, numerator what is there? m1 and m2. It will become division. That is m1 m2. Now, what is the dimension for force? M lt power minus 2. Dimension for force. Dimension for r square is L square. Dimension for m1 is k, that is m. m1 means mass, m. m2 is another mass. Dimension is m. We will cut m. Therefore, this m power plus 1 goes up means what? M power minus 1. Here L into L square, L power 1, L power 2, L cube, T power minus 2. This is dimension for universal gravitational constant.